Period.
Hi kids, welcome to Period.
Hey, today we will going to draw a car. Hey, let's do it. First step, we will draw a half circle with marker. And then we will draw a round circle and inside a round circle. After that, we will draw in the other side a second round circle and inside also. Then from here to here we will draw a line and we will draw a bumper like a curve. Let's draw a window. First, stand line and curve line and this line also. After that, we will draw a small window. And we will draw like overline door handle. Let's add a circle on the thread. Hey, we will done our car. Good job. Let's write a letter C-A-R. It's car. Perfect. And let's do coloring our car. I am using a red marker. Let's coloring body of car. And of course you can use other color. Don't forget to use your favorite color. I am coloring with red marker because I like red car. And then we will use a black color for the tires. And then gray for the half caps. And the bumpers. Hey kids, perfect, we will down our car. Good job!